Just
Today,
click Logo
I'm
Creator
excited to
right
show
here.
you how to
Then
use ChatGPT to help us generate creative ideas and designs for creating a stunning logo. Whether you're starting a new business or rebranding an existing one, having a great logo is essential. Let's dive right in. We'll be using the GPT called Logo Creator by Community Builder. You either find it on trending section, which is right over here, or you could simply search for that specific GPT right here, just in case it's not in the trending section anymore. Here's the search GPT section, and let's say this popped up right here after you typed in Logo Creator. Just click Logo Creator right here, then start chat, and here we go. First, let's prepare a prompt to give ChatGPT all the necessary information. We need to include all the details, like the brand name, industry, target audience, and any specific elements or colors you want in the logo. The more specific you are, the better the suggestions you'll get from ChatGPT. If you're creating a logo for, let's say, a tech startup called InnovateX, you might want a modern and sleek design that appeals to young professionals and tech enthusiasts. Here we go. This is the prompt that I put together right here. Also, blue and white colors are great fitting to convey trust and innovation. Now, let's see how ChatGPT would respond based on my prompt right here. As you can see, ChatGPT has started generating some questions to better understand our requirements. It is asking these questions to tailor the design to our specific needs. Well, as you can see right here, this is the first question. The following questions will be included later on after I answered one of these choices right here based on what ChatGPT's Logo Creator had asked me to. So, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now, let's answer them to provide more clarity. Or if you want to skip all the questions, you can just answer D right here. But for me, in the meantime, let's answer ChatGPT's Logo Creator's further follow-up questions, just to help improve the results based on what I put in the input for my logo design. My ideal logo design, that is. Okay, let's see. Do you want the logo to be either vibrant, neutral, or serious? Let's say vibrant, per se. Make sure to answer only the letter right here. So based on the next question, it says, on a scale of 1 to 10, how clean and simple or detailed and complex you want the logo to be? The default is 3. Just only answer the number itself. Let's say about a 6, perhaps. Okay, now Logo Creator is now asking me the color palette. Like I said, based on my prompt that I typed in or completed, blue and white. Okay, here's the last question. Would you like to generate one single logo design or default, or 9 different logo designs at once? I strongly suggest you answer B right here, just in case you have multiple options for you to choose from that'll have you satisfied more with your ideal logo design. So let's say B right here. Here we go. Just wait for the image to generate. It might take a while. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT has now generated more tailored logo concepts based on our additional input. And that's it. We've successfully created a logo using ChatGPT and a logo maker tool, or GPT perhaps. Remember, the key is to provide clear prompts and define the ideas until you're satisfied. With these steps, you can create a logo that truly represents your brand.